Imagine earning money while you sleep. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? It's a simple process. First, find a product you love. Then promote it to others and earn up to 50% commission for each sale you make. It's all about spreading the love for products you believe in and earning income from it. Affiliate marketing is essentially a performance-based business model. The more people you direct towards a product or service, the more you earn. It's a win-win situation for both the marketer and the business. To get started, identify a niche you're passionate about. Next, find an affiliate network that houses products in your niche. Sign up, get your unique affiliate link, and start promoting. I know a platform that does 80% of the work for you while you relax and make money. Remember, success in affiliate marketing doesn't come overnight. It requires patience, effort, and a lot of learning. But don't worry, the internet is teeming with resources to guide you. If you want to find out more about the affiliate network that does 80% of the work for you, subscribe and check the description for a webinar that explains better.